There are so many new lip products launched, but yeah, it's expensive and I've tried to get the best of them. Let's get to swatching. First up, swatching this soft tinty pack of 9 lipsticks from Love Earth. First shade we have is called Cotton Kiss. These smell really bad and I could smell it like from the pack. It smells very cheap. I have tried out a lot of Love Earth lipsticks before, but these by far smell the worst. This is the shade Cotton Kiss, sort of like a Barbie pink shade. And also it's so hard to put this back in. Like the applicator, the wand doesn't fit the tube. It's just like a hasty product launch in my opinion. Not much thought put into it. Then we have the shade called Mocha Melt. This is Mocha Melt, which is a nice warm brown shade, but it takes a couple of different layers for you to get an even application. It can be a little bit patchy. Then we have the shade Very Berry, a bright coral shade. Then we have Latte Scoop. So this is a very muted peachy nude shade. Then I have Glaze Pop, again a pink. Why do we have so many pinks in this? Then I have Frost Kiss. This is sort of like Irish coffee. Then we have Almond Cream, a wearable nude shade for my skin tone. Then we have Caramel Frost, another pink. And last shade is Cloud Drip. Such a pale nude shade, looks like I have concealer on my lips. Then I have L'Oreal lipstick in the shade Worth It. It's too light for my skin tone, I know that. It's for people of lighter skin tones for sure. And then I have this Nykaa Ultra Matte lipstick in the shade Winona, which is a deep red with a lot of brown undertones to it, and I absolutely love it. And this formulation compared to the previous Ultra Mattes is a little bit more comfortable on the lips. Maybelline Super Stay liquid lipstick in the shade Renegade. I don't know why I expected this shade to be a little bit deeper, but this is not something I really like. Daily Forever 52 lipstick in 017. The online swatch of this looked so different that I'm actually like, it's so deceptive. This is a Brick Red. They take forever to dry down actually. I also have another shade from the same range, which is Muted Mocha. This shade is so good, and once it actually sets, it's very long lasting, you guys, but just to get it to set is so hard. L'Oreal Lip Tint in Worth It Medium. Is it comfortable? Yes. Is the shade beautiful? Yes, but it's not very long lasting, and it's also a little bit difficult to get it to an even pigmentation. Mars Lip Tint in 07, 08. It's a red shade. I don't know how many people like this kind of shade. MAC P4 Potent, which is going to be discontinued. It's just too much purple for my liking. Then swatching the Love Earth liquid lipstick set in the shade Coffee Island. It's a burnt orange shade and I don't prefer it on my skin tone. Manhattan. Honestly, I don't like it. It's just too pale for my liking, and it can't even mask up the pigmentation of my lips. It's extremely pale and patchy. Brown Bellini wearable mauve pink shade. Minty Splash pale pink shade, again so generic. Why are there so many pinks in this brand? And then we have Berry Kiss, a little bit of a warmer pink shade compared to the previous one. Then I have After Hours, 2 tubes named After Hours. So there's a shade called Pink Wine which I'm missing in this, so I'm not sure if this is Pink Wine or this is Pink Wine. So I'm swatching this. This is called After Hours as well. The other one that's also labeled After Hours. This is a pale pinkish nude shade. And then I have something called as Dirty Martini. I think the only shade in this range that I liked. Honestly, the Love Earth 3.0 collection, very skippable. None of the shades stood out to me. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Do let me know if you want to watch more such videos in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one.